Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. My name is Latoya, your crafting queen. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I release a new video. All right, so to get started with this project, you're going to need some party bags, some tape, or some glue. Um, I got these little sticker dots from Michaels. It makes like a pop out effect kind of on the bags. So yeah, I got the images off Google, and then I just upload them into my Cricut design space and then cut them out.